So it is just a quick video on how to get to the lessons in Mathia so you can view them and prepare for instruction. So I want to go to Teacher Toolkit and to Harrison Middle School. And I want to go to the waffle up here and Content Browser. Then HSMS Geometry with Readiness Content. And I called this circles on our spreadsheet over here. You'll see that that doesn't match any of these. I'll change that. Establishing congruence with readiness would be the next one down. I'm actually going to change this back to reasoning with shapes with readiness. And you can see our first one that we're going to do is introduction to circles. And it's inside using circles to make conjectures. So I find using circles to make conjectures. Then I click introduction to circles. I can launch the workspace and go through it as a student myself and actually answer all the questions, or I can hit solve it, look at what Mathia is going to have myself and my students do, and click I'm done and go through workspaces to figure out what content is going to be in there and plan for how I want to address teaching it in that way. So again, I will change this back to say the correct thing, readiness or reasoning with whatever, but we are going to follow this progression. And so one thing I did want to bring up is that I actually created a custom module for us that doesn't include all this other stuff here. And that's what I put in your classes. And so you'll notice that using circles to make conjectures is there. Readiness for conjectures about quadrilaterals is there. And then conjectures about quadrilaterals is there. I intentionally took the rest of this stuff out because it was things that we had already chosen to skip and then jumped us down to proofs. So with that, that's sort of how you navigate this and get a view of what you and your students are going to be doing through Mathia.